Hi and welcome. Today we are going to discuss about power rule, one of the important concept in differentiation. The derivative of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. That is the power comes as a coefficient which can be written in front of the function and the power get reduced by 1. That is derivative of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. Before coming to the question, you need to make sure that you remember all these things. That is, the different notations of first order derivatives are y1, y dash, or dy by dx, or f dash of x. These all are the different notations of first order derivative. Any function of the form x raised to n. Here n is the power or exponent or index of the function. So we shall discuss some questions, some functions, and write the powers of these functions. So all of you can take your notebook and write the questions, and within 10 seconds you need to write the power of these functions. Here starts your time. Time up. So we shall discuss the power. Here, cube root x cube. The power of x cube is 3. That is x raised to 3. So power is 3. Cube root of x. Cube root of x can be written as x raised to 1 by 3. So the power is 1 by 3. So can you think what will be the power of square root of x? Square root of x, which can be written as x raised to 1 by 2. So the power is 1 by 2. Now x is actually x raised to 1. So the power is 1. Any constant, for example, 2. 2 is 2 times 1, right? So it can be written as x raised to 0 because any number raised to 0 is 1 only. So x raised to 0 is actually 1. So here, how to find the power of x in 2? That is 2 times x raised to 0. So the power is 0. So what is the power of x in 100? 100 is 100 times x raised to 0. So the power is 0. I hope most of you got all the answers correct. Now we shall discuss some questions related to power rule. Derivative of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. So here comes your first question. Derivative of x cube, that is x raised to 3. So power is 3. So it is n x raised to n minus 1. Right? So n, that is 3, we will write as a coefficient 3 times x raised to, then it should be reduced by 1, that is n minus 1. So 3 minus 1, which is 2. So 3x square is the derivative of x cube. Now next question, x raised to 1 by 3. So the power, that is 1 by 3 times x raised to n minus 1, right? So 1 by 3 minus 1. To make the denominators equal, we can write 1 as 3 by 3. So 1 minus 3, that is negative 2 by 3. So this is the answer. Now x raised to 1. So you will write the power times x raised to 1 minus 1, that is 0. So x raised to 0 is 1 only. So your answer is 1. So derivative of x is 1. You need to note it. Derivative of x is 1. Now you have a constant. Example 2. 2 can be written as x raised 2 times x raised to 0. So we will write constant into, we need to find the derivative of x raised to 0. So again the power is 0. So 0 times x raised to 0. No need to do it ahead. Why? Because 0 times any constant is 0 only. So your answer is 0. So derivative of any constant is 0. Derivative of 100 is 0 only. Derivative of negative 100, 0. So derivative of any constant is 0. Now, next question, x raised to negative 3. So the power is negative 3. So negative 3 times x raised to, you need to reduce the power by 1. So negative 3 minus 1, which is negative 4. So the answer is negative 3 times x raised to negative 4. If you want, you can rewrite it as negative 3 by negative power means it will come in the denominator. So it is x raised to 4 in the denominator. This is the answer. We shall discuss some more questions. First question, y equal to x raised to 10. So we shall write the derivative, the notation, either y dash, or we can write as dy by dx or y1, any notations we can use. So I'm writing y dash, which is equal to, here the question is x raised to 10. The power is 10. So 10 times x raised to power minus 1, that is 10 minus 1, that is 9. Next question, y equal to 3x cube. So y dash equal to, if you have a constant, along with the function, you need to write the constant, that is 3, into derivative of x cube. So again, how to find the derivative of x cube? Using power rule. So 3 is the power times x into power reduced by 1, that is 3 minus 1, which is 2. So here 3 times 3, that is 9 x square. Next question, y equal to, so when you're finding the derivative, y dash equal to, you have a constant with the function, so that is negative 5 times, now you need to find the derivative of root x. Root x, how can you write it as power? It is x raised to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the power. So once you find the derivative, you will write the power, that is 1 by 2 times x raised to, the power should be reduced by 1. So half minus 1, which is negative half. So the power is negative half. Again, if you want to rewrite it, we can write it as 1 by 2. Negative power means it will come in the denominator. So x raised to 1 by 2, that is root x. Since it is negative power, it will come in the denominator. So it is 1 by 2 root x. And you have a constant here, that is negative 5. So it is negative 5 by 2 root x. So the derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Okay, you can note that also. So it will be easy when you're doing some questions. Negative of root x is, sorry, derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Here comes the next question. Y equal to 2x cube minus 6x square. So y dash equal to, here you have two terms. Terms means it is separated by plus or minus. So this is the first term and this is the second term. So in first term you have a constant. So that constant into derivative of x cube. X cube 3 is the power. So 3 times x raised to power minus 1. That is 3 minus 1, which is 2. Now next term you have again a constant. So negative 6 times, what is the derivative of x square? That is 2x. So we can rewrite this as 3 times 2, which is 6. You have x square minus 6 times 2, that is 12x. Okay. Now next question, y dash equal to derivative of x raised to 7, which is 7x raised to 6. Again, we will write the constant into derivative of x raised to 4, which is 4x cube plus derivative of x square, which is 2x minus 4, and derivative of x is 1, plus derivative of any constant. In the last term you have only constant, so derivative of constant is 0. So this is your answer. We can rewrite it as 7x raised to 6 minus 5 times 4, which is 20 x cube plus 2x minus 4. So this is the answer. We have one more question. F of x equal to 2.5x square minus 6x plus 1. You need to find the derivative at 1. So first we will find the derivative, that is f dash of x. So here you have two terms. Three terms. Second term and third term. Three terms are there. So first term, you have a constant. So that constant into derivative of x square. Derivative of x square is 2x. Now next term, again you have a constant, that is negative 6 into derivative of x, which is 1, plus last term is a constant only. Only you have a constant. So derivative of this constant is 0. So here your answer is 2.5 times 2. That is 5x minus 6. This is f dash of x. But your question is to find f dash of 1. So wherever you have x, you need to change it into 1. So we will write here 5 times, and again you have here x, so that is 1 minus 6. Wherever you have x, you will write 1. So 5 times 1, that is 5 minus 6, which is negative 1. I hope that's clear. Thank you, all of you.